opening LOLs. And right now, we have 2 LOLs. We already started because we were so excited. She has the pets, and she has the neon boys. They're both new. You might not see them in stores yet, but we just found them. Okay, so I'm going to read both messages. From the boy, it says opening night. And from hers, it says bow in my hair. They're also cute. And
hey, look, I have black
they're fun to open them.
Hey, look.
Can I help you?
It's a black and black.
Oh my god, she already opened everything almost. So she has this cup. It's purple, blue, and white. It's super cute. It's like a carton of milk. And then her boy has black, purple, and pink shoes, which are really cute. And let's see what else. So we had to keep them separate because sometimes the LOL, what are they called? Pets also have some shoes, so we're gonna keep them separate. So, oh my god, she's already on her third one. Let's see.
White and black.
Oh my god, I think I know what you got.
Black and
It's
white.
super cute outfit. It's in overalls and
Black and white.
super cute. I think I already know which LOL it is because I see some girl LOLs that look just exactly like this.
Only one?
No, 2, 1. Okay, come on, girls, open them. I'm so excited to see what LOLs they got. Oh my gosh, she has a little cute bunny. Here, can I open it, please?
So cool.
Okay, I'm gonna open this for her because I help. So let's see what your bunny, or are you sure it's a bunny?
She's
Oh my god, she got a unicorn.
She has stickers.
Oh my god, I think we have the
Here.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
She has stickers.
Okay, let's see what boy she got. Yes, I knew it. It's the unicorn boy. He's so cute. I'm gonna put on the clothes. Look, you got a boy. Oh my god, his hair, where it's shaved, it's so velvety. So I'm gonna put on the clothes since it's kind of hard for them. She's gonna open her bunny. Yeah, I don't know if it's a bunny. It kind of looks like something else to me. But yeah, and I am super excited. This is our second boy, except we do not have a neon boy.
Yeah, she's so cute, bunny. So cute, bunny. Thank you, bunny.
How do you put these pants? Okay.
That's a cute bunny.
Wait, did we get? Yeah, we got his shoes.
Let's go to the
Okay, so let's see. I'm gonna put on his shoes right now. Oh, and he has some puffs. That's cool. Okay, so this is hers right now. She's doing something.
Look at my body.
Let's see, what does she have?
She has pink. She has pink.
Oh, look at what. Oh, it has a look. Wait, can I see your bunny, please? I want to see how cute. Can I touch her back? Yeah, it's so pretty. Can I see it? Oh my god. Oh, look. It comes off.
Yeah.
Can I have it, please? I want to see something.
She has brush. But does she have fluff in that? And
It's so cute.
She has one that.
Look, she has this. This is her wand or something. Wait, oh, you can't. So, yeah, this is so much fun actually to open LOL since you have so many surprises.
Where's her box?
Wait, here, Mosh.
The paw. Where's the paw?
I think this is supposed to come off somehow. Because we cannot find anything in here. Oh, okay, let's see. Wait. I think I got. Oh, it's just a sticker. Oh, okay. Now I get it. It's some stickers. Ta-da! Do you want some bangs?
The sticker.
Ah! You can have some bangs. Pink bangs, yay! And you can reuse them, I guess, because they're sticky. So let's take off all of her clothes, her things, so we can put every accessory on her. Guys, through that fur, we can't put anything on.
This will go.
Oh my god, these are actually light up. Wow. Oh, I see which one we got. Here, can I help you? No. Just, here, you forgot to put this on him. He needs his, what's it called?
Where's the
Look, he has a crown.
Cool. Where's the mine? Her. Oh no.
Look, she has a brush.
Mama, Demonia. Mama, Demonia. There's a bunny ears. That's a bunny ears. That's a bunny.
Let's see, what do we get?
Where's the mine?
How do I open?
What's the mine here?
What is this? Thank you very much. Because we need help. Okay. Ooh, what is this?
What is this? I want to see. Hello. I want to see. Hello.
Here's a look.
What's this
Okay.
go? Here. Where's this go?
This one.
Mommy.
Okay, can I see your bunny, please?
Mommy.
It's a crown.
It's a fish on her ear.
Wait, can I have this, please? Wait, this comes off too.
Ooh.
So guys, you have to look through her fur if you want to take it off. Well, her hair. It's
Or her
basically-
bottle.
Look, I took off. Oh my god, it's so cute.
It's her
But
glass.
I don't know what's it called. Oh, okay. Where's this? So guys, I think we probably can show you. Wait, Nadia, can I see something? Oh, this is, let's see. No. Okay, so let's put on.
I'm on the cat.
We have a bunny. It's cuter.
We need cat in mine.
Okay, so let's put this on.
A bunny. Tata, we need cat.
Bippity boppity boo, now you're a frog. Achoo.
We need cat. We need cat.
I'm gonna turn you into a frog. Wait. Wait, I thought we had something else. Where are those clips?
Clips.
Mommy. Well, I guess it's all for today.
Mama.
So, bye everyone. See you guys next time.